We all know breakfast is the most important meal of the day, but what you eat in the morning can set the tone for your day. A study published in the International Journal of Environmental Research and Public Health shows that eating a healthy breakfast is linked to better nutrient intake and improved health. But here's the thing, not all breakfasts are created equal. The quality of your breakfast matters just as much as the quantity. So, what should you eat to stay healthy, energized, and ready to tackle the day? In today's video, I will share the top 10 morning foods that are super easy to prepare, delicious, and packed with nutrients. Let's dive in. Number 1. Eggs. Want to start your morning with something simple and nutritious? Eggs are your go-to. They're packed with protein and healthy fats, keeping you full longer and giving you a steady supply of energy. A study from the Journal of the American College of Nutrition shows that eating eggs at breakfast can reduce your overall calorie intake. Egg yolks contain potent antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which protect your eyes and improve vision. Eggs are also rich in choline, essential for brain development and liver function. You can prepare eggs in many ways: scrambled, boiled, or as an omelet. Pair them with whole grain toast or sautéed vegetables for a complete breakfast. Number 2. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is a breakfast classic, and for a good reason. It's rich in fiber, carbohydrates, protein, vitamins, and minerals. Just 1 cup of oatmeal provides 13 grams of protein, 8 grams of fiber, and essential minerals like iron, folate, and zinc. Studies show that the beta-glucan fiber in oats helps lower bad cholesterol and reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease. Plus, oatmeal promotes a feeling of fullness, which can help prevent overeating throughout the day. Make it even more nutritious by adding a splash of dairy or soy milk and a spoonful of almond butter. But avoid the instant varieties with added sugar or artificial flavoring. Number 3. Flax seeds. Despite their small size, flax seeds are a nutritional powerhouse. They're an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, essential for lowering bad cholesterol and reducing inflammation. Flax seeds also provide fiber, protein, and antioxidants that support overall health. Add them to your morning smoothie, sprinkle them on oatmeal, or mix them into your yogurt for a metabolism boost and a healthy start to your day. Number 4. Berries. If you're looking for a sweet and healthy breakfast option, look no further than berries. They're loaded with antioxidants, which help fight inflammation and lower your risk of heart disease. Plus, they're high in fiber, which helps you stay full until lunch and manage your calorie intake. A study published in Circulation links a higher intake of antioxidants from berries to a lower risk of heart disease. You can enjoy berries in smoothies, yogurt, oatmeal, or alone. Just avoid ones with added sugar if you're using frozen berries. Number 5. Whole wheat toast. Whole wheat toast is an easy, nutrient-dense breakfast option packed with fiber, protein, vitamins, and minerals. It keeps you full longer, helps regulate your metabolism, and contains fewer calories than white bread. The toasting process lowers whole wheat bread's glycemic index, making it even healthier. Pair it with eggs, avocado, or nut butter for a quick, tasty, balanced breakfast. We've made it halfway through the list. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss out on more healthy tips and recipes. Number 6. Nuts and nut butter. A handful of nuts makes a great breakfast addition. They're rich in protein, healthy fats, fiber, and essential vitamins and minerals. Studies have shown that nut consumption is linked with a reduced risk of cardiovascular disease, and their antioxidant properties help fight inflammation. Pair them with fruits, add them to smoothies, or spread nut butter on toast. Nuts and nut butter are filling, energy-boosting, and incredibly versatile. Number 7. Protein shakes. Protein shakes are your best bet if you're in a rush but still want a nutrient-packed breakfast. They're easy to prepare and provide a great dose of protein, which keeps you full and supports muscle repair. Plus, they're low in calories, making them perfect for those on a weight loss journey. Add fruits, seeds, or veggies to your shake for a nutritional boost, but remember to pick one without added sugars or artificial sweeteners. Number 8. Bananas. Bananas are a potassium powerhouse, but they offer much more than that. Packed with fiber and essential nutrients, bananas support digestive health without leaving you feeling bloated. They also help lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart attacks. Add them to your oatmeal or smoothies, or eat them as they are for a natural energy boost to kickstart your day. Number 9. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a light, protein-packed, and probiotic-rich breakfast option. It supports a healthy gut and boosts your immune system. Studies have shown that yogurt consumption improves nutrient intake and diet quality. Pair it with fruits, nuts, or seeds for a filling and balanced breakfast. Just choose one without added sugar to keep it healthy. Number 10. Coffee. We can always remember coffee. Not only does it help you wake up, but it's also packed with antioxidants that fight inflammation and protect your cells. According to the American Diabetes Association, drinking coffee can reduce your risk of developing type 2 diabetes. But keep it simple. Skip the sugar and heavy cream. Instead, try plant-based milk or non-fat milk to keep it healthier. A cup of coffee can be the perfect companion to your nutritious breakfast. And that's it, friends. The top 10 morning foods to include in your daily routine. Remember, a good breakfast sets the tone for a productive and energetic day ahead, so never skip it. These foods are not only easy to prepare, but also healthy and delicious. After eating a nutritious breakfast, add a bit of morning meditation or exercise to your routine for a more positive and healthy start to your day. It might be tough to get into at first, but trust me, it will pay off in the long run. Will you start eating these foods after watching this video? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more wellness tips and recipes. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.